Hello, welcome to the YouTube channel of Bhavan's Royal Institute of Management Coaching. This institute, commenced in 2002, is affiliated to Kochi University of Science and Technology and approved by AICTE New Delhi. And we have been offering specializations in marketing, finance, HR, operations and international business. The institute is managed by Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Kochi Kendra, and we have been imparting quality education since 2002. And we have been maintaining excellent placement records for all these years, and our alumni is holding very high positions both in India and outside India. And our alumni are in the strategic positions and who have been taking important decisions for their companies. With two batches comprising 60 students each, we have been following one of the excellent training programs all these years. And around 28 to 30 companies are there in our basket, and we have been giving placement to more than 90% of the students who are studying over here. And our infrastructure facility is second to none, in the sense we have been providing state-of-the-art art facilities for our students. And as far as the pedagogy is concerned, we have been following the pedagogy with a principle, and our principle is a perfect positive correlation between text and context. What I mean by that is, when we teach inside the classroom, we always try to correlate what is given in the textbook to the context. When I use the term context, it means the real business world. For example, if I give an example from the finance area, especially from accounting area, see, when we teach ratios, that is one of the important tools applied by almost all financial managers for taking decisions. Ratios analysis we normally teach in the classroom. If you take an example, almost all over India, ratios are being taught with the help of formulas. For example, gross profit ratio is equal to, formula is there, and if the answer is 40%, naturally with that 40% there ends the class. And if the net profit ratio, we apply the formula, we get a result, and that is the end of it. But when you come to Bhavans, you feel the difference. For example, if the gross profit ratio is 40% of a company, and if the net profit ratio is 15% of the company, then naturally question arises, can you invest your money in the shares of this company? Look at the figures. 40% gross profit ratio and 15% net profit ratio. It is a good company as far as the common man is concerned. Why? Because it is a profit-making company. But we try to make the students understand that it is not a good company. Why? Because out of 100 rupees of sales, if a company is making 40 rupees of gross profit, and the net profit, that is the take-home profit, is only 15 rupees out of 100 rupees, because the net profit ratio is only 15%. So naturally question arises, where went the remaining 25%? We have to analyze, we have to understand about that company. And naturally, a good investor will hesitate to invest his money in this company. And that is the method we apply. And this is a very simple example I gave from accountancy, and same is the case we teach in marketing, we do in HR, we do in operations, we do in international business. And as far as the marketing is concerned, the real-time marketing, including the new areas of digital marketing, social marketing, all those things, and we as far as possible, we try to connect what is there in the text with the context. Therefore, the student will feel that he is a real marketing manager by the time the marketing course is over. In the same manner, if a student has taken HR as the option, and he or she, after the course is over, will feel that what are the responsibilities that are given to a HR manager and how that can be performed, how that can be discharged with the help of the system. Therefore, technology is being applied, technology is being used for the purpose of teaching in the classroom. And apart from that, as an add-on program, we are also having the program of giving them additional training on advanced Excel, on digital marketing, on social marketing. And as far as the HR is concerned, we are taking them to international level. Why? Because nowadays everything is happening online. But we give them training in such a manner how to face all these online programs as well as online interviews or what is happening in the online. And very important companies just like EY, Bandhan Bank, Federal Bank, etc. These are some of the notable companies which are stepping into this institution for the purpose of placement. And we are keeping for the last so many years we have been keeping excellent placement record. And that is how, whenever you come to the class at Bhavans, you feel the difference in the sense how we are convert or transforming the students from a ordinary academician to a professional. True to the core, being a professional course, we try our level best to enhance the skills of the students in all functional areas of their studies. In the first year, we are making the foundation in such a manner that in the second year, the student can fly. That is the stage where they can take off. Therefore, by the time the first year program is over, the student will feel a sense of confidence that in the next year, any functional specialization the student is adopting, he will excel in that area. And that is the method we apply. And apart from that, we are also having live internships, live projects, and we are having the tie-ups with some of the important names like McDonald's, etc., Saint Gobain, and students are getting practical experience when they go for marketing purpose. In the same manner, our students are good analysts. Some of the companies are approaching our students for the purpose of analyzing the financial statements, and with help of the enriched faculty of this institution, our students are giving the result after analysis. And because the training program is being conducted in such a manner that the students are, along with their knowledge, book knowledge, they will also enhance their skills. All types of skills. We are having two to three periods in a day for the set aside exclusively for the purpose of skill development activities, where we are having the programs like news and views. It is compulsory in this institution that each and every student has to subscribe one business newspaper. And we are having a program whereby the most important relevant news is to be taken by the student, and that is to be analyzed by himself or by a group of the students, and that can be presented on the stage. And that will be debated and discussed in the classroom. And faculties are supporting them in that regard. And apart from that, we are also organizing a program that is our annual management fest. And last year, more than 500 students representing around 52 colleges, institutions all over India, especially from the southern part of India, participated in this program. And that was a huge success. And only because of that, we are having the good network with some of the important institutions in the South India, and good number of universities are coming to us for that purpose. And as far as the examination is concerned, as you know, affiliation is to CUSAT. But naturally, a standard is always maintained in drafting the syllabus as well as in the pedagogy. And examination program is also chalked out in such a manner, not just the direct or the knowledge they are getting in the classroom is being tested. Through the examination, the analytical ability of the student is also being tested. And this is how the whole program has been set up. And suppose you come to international business, we are having a subject like international logistics management, and that is an area which is upcoming, and good number of students would like to make their career in logistics management. And as far as operations are concerned, we are offering a very excellent subject like quality management, management science, so that our students can take right decisions at right time. And for the purpose of taking decisions, a subject like management science will help them in analyzing the data and also in taking decisions. At the end of the day, what the students as well as the faculty in Bhavans feel, at the end of the day, what is the important responsibility of a manager is taking right decisions at right time. No student or no manager can take a right decision at wrong time, nor a wrong decision at right time. And we will enrich our students in such a manner that they are enabled to take right decisions at right time. And that is what we offer in our institution. And this is our channel. Please subscribe our channel, and please, whenever time permits, please enter into this campus and you can feel the difference. Thank you.